India VIX explained, must know for option traders. Do you know there's a secret index that shows how scared or confident the market is? It's called India VIX, and it can help you make smarter trades whether you are a trader, investor, or options lover. This is something you must understand. What is India VIX? India VIX stands for India Volatility Index. Often called the fear gauge of India, it measures the expected market volatility for the next 30 days based on Nifty options. If VIX is high, the market is nervous. If VIX is low, the market is calm. It's not about predicting price, it's about predicting mood and movement. How does it work? When India VIX goes up, it means big movements are expected, up or down. When VIX goes down, it suggests stability. High VIX is equal to panic. Low VIX is equal to peace. It's as simple as that, but interpreting it correctly makes all the difference. How to read VIX like a pro? Here's a quick cheat sheet below. 12 a calm market, 13 to 17 normal volatility, 18 to 25 caution zone, above 25 fear. Big moves incoming also. Sudden spikes is equal to panic. Gradual rise is equal to anticipation of events like elections or global news. Why is India VIX important? India VIX is your volatility radar. It helps you prepare for unexpected moves. Useful in deciding your position size, whether to hedge or hold, and understanding market sentiment, especially before major events like the budget or elections. How it helps investors. For investors, it's about peace of mind. When VIX is high, don't panic. Use it to adjust your strategy. Maybe hold tight or hedge your portfolio. It's a signal to stay smart, not scared. VIX for option buyers. Option buyers, listen up. High VIX is equal to expensive premiums. Low VIX is equal to cheaper options but lower expected movement. Best time to buy? When VIX is low but expected to rise, that's your golden opportunity. VIX for option sellers. Option sellers, VIX is your profit calculator. High VIX gives you high premiums, but be cautious, higher risks too. Low VIX means less reward, but it's safer. Ideal time to sell? When VIX is high but cooling down. Final takeaway: remember, India VIX is not a magic number, it's a sentiment meter. Always combine it with price action, option chain analysis, and news events. It's one of the smartest tools in a trader's toolkit. Want to master VIX, technical analysis, options, or even Forex trading? Join the Safe Trader Academy, where we teach with live examples and real market experience. Online and offline classes available. Morning and evening batches are running now.